Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will start our next exercise of second chapter. In this exercise we have to do division of the fractions. Okay, so let's start with first sum. The question number 1 is write down the reciprocal of given numbers. Okay, reciprocal we have already done. Reciprocal means we will do reverse of that number, means numerator will be the denominator and denominator will be the numerator. So question number 1, first part, 5 upon 8 is given. We have to write the reciprocal of 5 upon 8. So denominator will be the numerator and numerator will be the denominator. Okay, so what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal of 5 upon 8 is equal to 8 upon 5. Okay, one more thing I want to tell here. When we are reciprocal and the given number, when we will multiply both, then we will get the multiplicative identity. Means if we multiply 5 upon 8 and the reciprocal of that number 8 upon 5, always we will get the multiplicative identity. What is the multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is 1. Okay, so because this is equal to 1, so reciprocal of a number is the reverse of that, means numerator will be the denominator and denominator will be the numerator. Here is also third part I have taken 1 upon 2. So what will be the 1 upon 12. What will be the reciprocal of this? Reciprocal of this is 12. Okay, so you will write like this. Reciprocal of 1 upon 12 is equal to 12 upon 1. That means 12. Okay. Now question number 2. In the question number 2 we have to simplify the given numbers. So I have taken here third part. Question number 3, simplification. We have to simplify the given numbers. I have taken third part. What is that? That is 8 upon 9 divided by 16. Divided by 16. So what we will do here? When we have to divide a number, by the another, so what we will do? We will change this division sign in the multiplication and this number will be reciprocal. We will write the reciprocal of the second number. So 8 upon 9, this will change in the multiplication and we will write here reciprocal of 16. What is that? 1 upon 16. Okay, now if they are cutting, we will cut them. Okay, so what is here? 1 1 is 1 and 9 2 is 18. Now we will start the ninth part of question number 2. Okay, so what is that? That is 15 whole 3 upon 7 divided by 1 whole 23 upon 49. First, this is given in mixed fraction, so we will convert this into improper. Okay, after that we will change this into multiplication and reciprocal of this number. So first do this. We have to multiply this. 15 7s are 105 plus 3. That will be 108. Okay, that will be 108 and denominator will be as it is, division sign. Now solve this. 49 1s are 49 and add that 9 and 3 2, 1 will be there. This is 6 and 1 7. So it will be divided by 49. It will be divided by 49. So now what we have to do? 108 as it is divided by 7. This will be changed into multiplication. What will be the reciprocal of this? 49 upon 72. 7 1s are 7 7s are. They are cutting or not? They are cutting, but on the table of 18. Okay, so 18 6s are. 18 6s are and here 18 4s are. Okay, so now we will multiply this. What it will be? It will be 42 upon 4. Further they are cutting at the table of 2. 2 2s are and 1s are 2 2s are. So what is our answer? Our answer is 21 upon 2. Okay. Now next is question number 3, in which we have to divide. Okay. So second part of question number 3. What is that? 6 whole 7 upon 8 by 11 upon 18 means we have to divide this number by 11 upon 18. So first convert this into improper. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 7, that will be 55 divided by 8. Now by means multiplication, sorry, division here. Okay, so now 11 upon 18. What will be next step? 55 upon 8. Change this, reciprocal of this. Now if they are cutting, please cut that. 11 5s are here. This is 2 4s are and 2 9s are. Now they are not cutting, so multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 9 5s are 45 upon 4. So this is our answer. Now we will do fifth part of the question number 3. Okay. Fifth part of question number 3. What is our statement? Our statement is 45 by, we have to divide 45 by 1 whole 4 upon 5. Okay. So first write this as it is. 45 by means divide. It will be 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9 upon 5. Okay. You can write this like this, 45 upon 1. Now 45 upon 1 multiplied by reciprocal of the second number. Okay. So 9 5s are. What is our answer? 25. This is our answer here. Okay. Now question number 4. After question number 3, statement sums are given up to 17. So I'll solve here 4 sum for you. Remaining you will do by your own. Question number 4. A rope of length this meter has been divided into 9 pieces of same length. What is the length of each piece? Means a wire is given. Means suppose this is our wire. Okay. So length of the wire is given to us, and we have to cut this wire into 9 equal pieces. Okay. Suppose I'm doing this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, like this. So we have to divide that length into 9 equal parts. So length of the one part will be less than the length of that complete length of the wire. So what we will do here? We will divide here. No need to this diagram. This is just for understanding. Now question number 4. In the question number 4, a rope of length is this 13 whole 1 upon 2 meter has been divided. Okay, length of complete wire. What is that? That is 13 whole 1 upon 2 meter, or we can say 27 upon 2 meter. Okay. So this is the length of complete wire. What is the length of each piece? Or you can say number of pieces. How many number of pieces we have to cut? 9. So next, what is given to us? Number of pieces. Number of pieces is equal to 9. We have to do 9 pieces. So length of each piece. Length of each piece is equal to total length divided by 9. What is total length? 27 upon 2 divided by 9. So we can write like this, 9 upon 1. Yes. What will be next? 27 upon 2. This will be reciprocal 1 upon 9. 9 3s are. So what we will get here? 3 upon 2. what will be our length? 1 whole 1 upon 2 meter, means we will divide this 2 ones are 1 will be remainder and 2 will be denominator. So 1 whole 1 upon 2 meter. Length of the each piece is 1 whole, or you can say 1.5 meter. Okay, now we will do question number 7. So please read the statement of the question number 7. In the question number 7, mangoes are sold at rupees 43 and half per kg. Okay, means 43 and half is the cost of 1 kg mango. Okay, what is the weight of mangoes available for rupees 326 or 1 upon 4? Okay, this is also given amount, means how much amount of mangoes we will get in these rupees. We have to find out this. Okay, so first what we will write here, question number 7, cost of 1 kg mango, 1 kg mango is equal to, what is the cost? 43 1 upon 2. This is in rupees. Okay, now cost of required mangoes means how much mango we will get, that is our requirement. So cost of that mangoes are also given. So next we will write cost of required mangoes. What is that? That cost is 326 1 upon 4. This is in rupees. First convert this into improper. Okay, so it will be 43 to the plus 1. So 3 to the 6 and plus 1 7 and 8. That means 87 upon 2 rupees. Okay, and it will be, convert this into improper fraction. When you will multiply these two, you will get 24. We have to add that, so I am directly adding 5. 2 will be here. 4 2 the 8 and 2 10. 1 will be here. Now 4 3 the 12 and 1 13. So we get here 1305. Please check this again. This is 326 1 upon 4. When I multiply this, 6 4 the 24 plus 1 25, 2 will be carry, then 4 2 the 8 and 2 10, 1, 4 3 the 12 1 13, and here will be 4. This is in rupees. What we have done here, just we have convert that mixed fraction into improper. Okay, now this is also improper and this is also. What we have to find out here, we have to find out what is the weight of the mangoes available for this, means weight of required mangoes. Weight of required mangoes. What will be that weight of required mangoes? We will divide this money by that. Okay, so divided by 87 upon 2. I am writing this here. Divide means multiply. It will be reciprocal 2 upon 87. So 2 2s are, okay, 2 2s are. Now what we will get here? As a numerator we get here 1305, and this will be multiplied. 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16 and 1 17. So this is in cases. We have to divide this. So here you will show your division. 174. Okay, first read the table of 17. Okay, what is it? 17 ones are 17 twos are 34, 3s are 51, 4s are 68 and 5s are 85, 6 10, 102, 7 119. Okay, and after that 126. So when we will go at the 8 there is 126, but when we will add the carries, that will be more, so we will go only at the 7. Let's check this on the 7. Multiply this by 7. 7 4s 28. 2 will be here. 7 7s 7 7s. What will be 7 7s? 49. 49 and 2 51. 5. Now 7 1s and 5. That will be 12. That will be 12. Okay. So that means we have gone at 7. Why I have written the table of 17? For the judgment, so that I can judge by which number I must multiply so that I can reach near to this. Okay. So that is only for checking. You can write, no need to write the table of the 174. Okay. You can check that by hit and trial. Okay. So now we will minus this from 15. 8 will go. What you will get here? 7. Okay. Now there is 9. Here will be 8. Now this is 12. Minus 12 will be 0. Now there is nothing. Okay. So we will put here point and 0 here like this. Okay. So now it will go at the 5s. Check it. 5 4s 22. 5 7s 35 and 37. 3. 5 1s and 3 8. Completely divisible here. Okay. So here we get 0. Okay. So this is 7.5. What is 7.5? 7.5 means 7 and half. 7 and half. So what is our answer here? Our answer is 7.5, or we can say 7 whole 1 upon 2. We have to give our answer in cases. So this answer is in case. Okay. Now the question number 12. In the question number 12, what is given to us? In that, a group of students arrange a picnic. Okay, they are going for a picnic, and each student contributed rupees 261 whole 1 upon 2. The total contribution was this. Means amount collected by one student or contributed by one student is given, and the complete, or you can say total contributed amount is also given. So we have to tell here how many students are there in that group. So what we will do here? We will do here division. Question number 12. So I'll do this here. Next we will do here. Okay. A group of students arranged a picnic. Each student contributed. So first we will write what is given to us. What is given to us? Money, or you can say amount contributed by one student. What is that? That is 261 whole 1 upon 2 rupees. Okay. So first convert this into improper. It will be double and plus 1. Okay. So 1 2 3 2 4 and 5. Okay. Divided by 2. 2 2s are, sorry, 2 1s are 2. 1 will be added. 12 as it is, and this 5. Okay. Now this is in rupees. Now what is given next? Here is given contribution. Total contribution is also given. Means total amount collected by them. What is that? That is here 2876 whole 1 upon 2. We will convert this into improper. Convert that. Multiply this and add 1 in that. 6 2s are 12, 1 13. I add 1 that. Okay. 6 2s are 12, 1 13, 1 14, 1 5, 16, 1 7, 2 and 1 5. What will be here? 2. This is in rupees. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out number of students in one group. Number of students in one group. So we will find out here number of students. Number of students. So we will divide this by that. Okay. So 5 7 5 3 2 divided by 526 upon 2. So now I am writing this here clearly. 5753 divided by 2 multiply 2 upon 523. Now cut this 2 at the vanja. Now look at here. This is 523 and this is 5. First 3 digit of this number is 575. So first it will cut at the vanja. Okay. Now I'm doing here. Okay. Suppose you have written here 5 2 3. So it will go at the vanja. What we will get here? You will get here 2 and here will be 5 and you will take this as it is. So it will also go on vanja. So what we will get here? We will get here 11. So our answer is 11. Means there is 11 students in that group who has contributed that amount. Okay. Now the question number 30. In the question number 30, that is very small question, and question number 16 and 17 both are same. Okay. So I am doing one here. In all the sums you have to do here division. Okay. So please don't get confused in that. Okay. Read the statement carefully and then do. In the question number 16, by what number should 9 whole 4 upon 5 be multiplied to get 42? So we can let our number, yes, in the question number 16, let the required number be x. Okay, let the required number be x. 80 cube means by what number should this be multiplied? So we will multiply 9 whole 4 upon 5 by x, so that we can get 42. So what we will get when we will multiply these two? 42. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to do this simplify. Simplify means we will convert this into improper. 9 5s are 45 plus 4 49 upon 5 into x is equal to 42. Now we need the value of the x, so x will be on this side and remaining will go on that side. Okay. Remember one thing, if something is here in plus, that will be there minus, means always sign will change. Plus will be minus, minus will be plus. If this is in multiplication, it will be here in division. It will be here in division. So, or you can say if this number will go there, अगर आप इसको multiplication में लिखेंगे, so reciprocal of that we have to write it. This is our denominator. This will be numerator there. So x is equal to 42. This will go up 5, and this will come here. Okay. Now cut that. 7 6 are 7 7. So what we will get here? We will get here 30 upon 7. So this is our number. If you want to write this into mixed fraction, you can write 7 4s are 7 4s are 28 and then 2 upon 7. This is the number that when we will multiply this number by that 9 whole 4 upon 5, so we will get 42. Okay, this is our answer. So at last you will write that line. You will write that line when we will multiply 9 whole 4 upon 5 by 4 whole 2 upon 7, then we will get 42. Okay, so remaining sum do by your own. Okay, thank you.